Hello Myra. So now we are going to make
We're gonna make the no-bake cookie dough ball.
yes. So these are basically energy balls for children. Okay?
Because I'm one.
Yeah. So let's start.
Peanut butter. We have two recipes with two with peanut butter. I've tried peanut butter before from that American company.
What's the name? Okay, whatever it was. Was it good?
It was okay, but I love the Reese's peanut butter.
Okay. That's fine. Yeah, good.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to add honey.
Honey. Oh, this honey?
Yeah,
Oh,
this is
I thought
honey.
this was
Golden
maple
honey.
syrup.
Should I hold it and you can clean it with that?
Just in case it falls out. This is
Okay,
taking
okay,
quite a
okay. That's
while.
fine.
Done.
Good. And now
And we
let's
need the
add the vanilla essence,
Now what's
vanilla
this
extract,
one?
whatever you want to call it.
I call it vanilla extract.
Okay, done. And let me add the dates because they are a bit sticky and they're all joined together. We need to open them up a little bit. You can start mixing these.
These kind of look kind of weird when you open them.
Yeah, because I've chopped them.
You know what we saw in school today? The school cat's poop.
Sorry, what was that?
We saw the school cat's poop
Oops.
today.
Really?
Yeah.
Where?
It was weird.
Oh, it is weird,
Yeah.
but interesting.
I thought it was a school dog, but it was actually a school cat.
Oops.
And she also came into our classroom 2 times.
Really?
Yep.
Maybe she likes you.
We were all laughing so
Mm-hmm.
She was at the back of my desk.
Now you want to add coconut?
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, that
Want to clean
also
this?
fell in.
You want to clean this?
Yeah.
Very good. And this is flaxseed. Let's add these also.
This actually kind of looks kind of like the dough of a cookie.
Okay, good. And this is, you know what is this? Chia seeds.
Cheers.
Chia. It's very good.
These look like very, very small.
Very, very small. And the fun part
Chocolate
comes
chips.
now. What is this?
Chocolate chip.
Yes. And I have chopped them up.
I could tell you could.
Yeah, let's mix it up. So Amara, you sing also, right?
Yep.
So which is your favorite song?
I haven't really thought about that.
You haven't really thought about that? Whatever that they give you, you sing?
Yep.
Oh, that's nice.
They give us Disney songs, classical songs.
Oh, wow. You sing classical songs? That's interesting. So now we kept it in the freezer.
Yeah.
Yeah?
For quite a long time.
For like 15-20 minutes so that it is stable enough to make balls. And now let me give you some. And so we have to make balls of 1 inch size. Oh, that's easy.
Yeah, that was easy.
Yeah? Have sprinkles on all sides. Yeah, that's okay. That's okay.
That's perfect.
Perfect. Now put it here.
Now we
Should I take it out for you? Good.
This is a very messy part.
It is a messy
so you
part.
might want to clean your hands before you do this.
Yes, very important. Hygiene is very important. This is a good part, right? Putting sprinklers on top and decorating it.
The bowl is completely frozen.
Yeah.
That's it, finished. So now we finished making the balls, and I named them the magical energy.
Yes, and they look pretty, don't they? So
Right.
how are we supposed to keep them?
We're gonna keep them in an air jar in the fridge.
Airtight jar in the
Airtight.
fridge. Yes, so that they are nice and cold and they are full of energy. Yes? Okay, thank you, Myra, for
Thank you,
helping
Mommy.
me.